As a landscape business owner, estimating can be a pain. It's difficult to hire great estimators. It's difficult to train one from scratch. But what if you could get the industry's best estimator on subscription? There's no need to hire, train, or coach. Meet the SiteRecon Estimator. SiteRecon Estimator combines the best of mapping technology with industry expertise to make estimating easy. It lets you generate fast, accurate, and reliable estimates so that you can scale your sales engine without any bottlenecks. Use the SiteRecon Estimator to adjust frequencies, margins, and labor rates to fine-tune costs and price without sacrificing your profit margins. Leverage detailed service maps to justify your pricing. Compare your pricing against industry benchmarks and your competitors. Export detailed estimates with one click and share with the customers. And the best thing, you can order your estimates like you order a pizza. Start by customizing your estimation model with your benchmarks. Once you're done, simply enter property address in the search bar. Select the services. Click on Get Estimate. And voila, you're done. Estimate delivered. Get started today.